Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfian Azizi with 3-digit last student number is 020. Now, I will give an explanation related to the material in the journal that I found. Namely is immune response in COVID-19 patents, insight into cytokine storm and adaptive immunity kinetic from heliyon. Introduction. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a big impact globally. Although no case of death and hospitalization have decreased, and WHO in May 2023 said that COVID-19 is no longer a global health emergency. The SARS-CoV-2 virus is still mutating and can affect the immune system. SARS-CoV-2 itself is an RNA virus that enters human body cell mainly through ACE2 receptor. With the help of its spike protein, after entering, this virus will multiply and can trigger the body immune response. Okay. In some patents, especially the critical on COVID-19 can trigger a phenomenon called cytokine storm. This is a condition where excessive cytokine production occurs, such as IL-6, TNF-alpha, and others. As a result, severe inflammation occurs that can damage the lung tissue and even cause organ failure. Okay, alveolar macrophages are the main immune cell in the lungs. Normally, they play a role in protecting the lung and helping tissue repair. But when SARS-CoV-2 infection, this macrophage can change from type M2 to M1. This M1 macrophage actually aggravate inflammation by production many pro-inflammatory cytokine such as TNF-alpha and TNF-alpha and IL-6, so that the lung damage is worse. Dendritic cells are also important because they produce type 1 interferon, namely EFN alpha and EFN beta, which are very effective against virus. But in the for COVID-19 case, the production of EFN1 is actually disrupted, so that the virus can develop more, and the immune system is too late to respond. As a result, uncontrolled inflammation occurs. Okay, HMGB1 is a protein that is usually found in the cell nucleus. But when cell damage occurs, this protein comes out and acts a danger signal. HMGB1 can activate various inflammatory pathways, including NF-κB, which ultimately increase the production of cytokine such as IL-1 beta, IL-6, and TNF-alpha. In the COVID-19 patient, HMGB1 levels are very high and aggravate the cytokine storm. Okay, IL-6 is one of the main cytokines in the cytokine storm. IL-6 can work through three pathways, namely classical pathway, train signals, and interaction with T helper cell 17. Excess IL-6 cause excessive inflammatory lung damage and even organ failure. Okay, in addition to the innate immune response, the body also activates the adaptive immune system. First is CD4 plus T cell helper activate B cell to produce antibody and also activate CD6 plus T cell to kill virus infected cell. Second is antibodies from B cell can neutralize the virus, preventing further infection. 3 is after recovery, patients usually have specific antibody and memory T cell that can provide protection is if exposed again. Although this level of protection can decrease over time. And the last, the last is conclusion for from all. So in COVID-19, our immune system can become a double-edged sword. An immune response that is too strong can cause organ damage due to cytokine storm. While the right adaptive response is very important to control infection and form immune memory. Okay, uh, might be enough for me. Thank you. I am Azizi and see you.
Whoa!